conscious participation. You know that this is a creative process of the universe. Just knowing that ultimately can bring a lot of humans out of their minds and into a more pleasant state of being. But just thinking that one damn thing after another, you're obviously in resistance of the conscious participation in the creative process of the universe. Thank you for joining me here. I always appreciate your presence. So that conscious participation in the creative process of the universe through the human form also means there's some of it now. It's a conscious participation right on cue. The universe, let's say, for example, created that sound, and there was a conscious participation. There was an acceptance. There was enthusiasm. There wasn't resistance. If there's resistance, then you suffer mentally, become frustrated, even angry. So consciously recognizing that through this human form, if there's conscious participation of creation through the human form, your form, then that ultimately reveals the peace and ease and tranquility and joy in your life. Inwardly, of course, because there'll still be situations and challenges. Your life won't be, it will be within yourself. But there will be challenges. And so, when the challenges come up, conscious participation. You know that this is a creative process of the universe. Just knowing that ultimately can bring a lot of humans out of their minds and into a more pleasant state of being. But just thinking that one damn thing after another, you're obviously in resistance of the conscious participation in the creative process of the universe. So then you'll find yourself frustrated a lot, anxious, maybe even angry, because it will seem like one damn thing after another as the life challenges you. Because that's ultimately what the world is here for, to challenge us, to bring us to a more conscious state of being. So just recognizing that there's a participation of consciousness that can be experienced through your human form can ultimately change the way that you experience life and experience situations. For example, if there's resistance and I have to change the tire on the car in the rain, if there's resistance, that is not a conscious participation in the creative process of the universe through your form. That is resistance, which will lead to mental suffering. Sometimes even extreme. So many things, one damn thing after another. Then some people have did suicide. If they committed suicide, do you think that they knew that or inwardly recognized that they were a part of the conscious creative process of the universe? Probably not. They probably, one damn thing after another was their reality. So just recognizing that takes you out of that continuous negative stream of thinking. And when situations come up, you'll see the situation as it is, and you'll see what you can do about it. It doesn't have to be one damn thing after another. It can be, this situation came up. It's a creative process of the universe, and I can be enthusiastic about it. I can accept it, and I can see what I can do about it. Once you realize that, within yourself, life becomes easy and it's no stress. You ultimately, because the thoughts that you have about a situation creates the stress. Yes, so if the thoughts that you have are in alignment with the creative process of the universe, where's stress? There's no stress. There's acceptance and enthusiasm and joy and pleasantness. So if you do find your mind starting to pick up in that negative stream of thinking, step out of that stream by shifting your attention to the rhythm of your breathing. One or two of those conscious breaths will bring you back into alignment with the conscious creative process of the universe. And you would be okay. There wouldn't be resistance. It would be acceptance and enthusiasm. Appreciation as well. Thank you for joining me.